Hey everyone, it's James here. I'd like to show you really quickly how to use the new YouTube Captions editor. First, I'll start with one of my favorite ways to use it, and then I'll show you some of the pro tips. So I'm actually going to start here with a video that I want to caption from the automatic track provided by YouTube, and I'm going to choose to duplicate and edit it. And you can see here that I've already got the auto captioning that YouTube does for you. And what I really like about this is how easy it is to just clean this up. This is a pretty short video, and I remember what I said, so I can just kind of roll through here and edit it really quickly, add some punctuation, and break it up. So I'm going to do that now. And then once I'm done with that, I can hit assign timings and I can see the timings in each of the various segments and kind of review to make sure that it matches up with the audio. So that's my favorite way to use it. I'm now going to show you a couple of other things that you can do with it. If you wanted to add a translation here, so I'm going to do German because I'm learning German. Um, you have the option to upload a file. You can do this with the same language or with the translation, it doesn't matter. Maybe you have a script that you want to use, you've already got it saved and you just want to upload it. You can choose to type it yourself manually, either timed or untimed, like I showed you before, or you can choose this auto translate feature, which is what I'm going to do. And that's really helpful for me because, as those of you who've heard me speak it know, my German is only so-so. And this goes through and allows you to see what you have written in kind of the original audio language, and then also how that's been translated. And if my German were better than it was, I could clean it up, but alas, I can't. A couple other like pro features that I want to show you just while I've got you here. First is the keyboard shortcuts. These allow you to do more without your fingers leaving the keyboard, so that's really cool. Uh, there's the pause while typing feature. So this basically makes sure that the video on the right-hand side will pause whenever your hands are on the keyboard. And then once you've kind of caught up with the audio, the video will start playing again. Once again, trying to make sure that you can caption as easily as possible. And then last but not least, you can kind of upload a file from here. You could clear all of this text out, or you could download an in-process track. Um, so that's what we've got. I'm going to publish this. Take a look and let us know what you think. Thanks.